How to explain it? The only thing I can say is sometimes when I walk by, I feel like I go to the bathrooms back there, and I walk through. It's like, and I walk.
Man si Peppa Pig, okay. Dija, wait lang. Ani search up ko kay meet.
Wow.
Ako, pero outing. Nanbagan mga outing. Next just takes navigate na tayo.
It's an ancient ecosystem untouched by man. Whatever is down there is trying to make its way to the surface. This is a bad idea.
Wait, dan mga outing na object.
Go back.
They're hunting threats.
They're back.
You can relax. This place,
The Trench? Oh, sa Mariana Trench. Ang ginasabi. I'm sure. Oh no, I'm sira.
Sa lugar namin, nasa 7 taon na pa lang siguro ako na. So, pinapatahan niya ito ah. Tumahan naman. Pero,
Kuya, man
nagsabi
ka na
ng kapatid
yan
ko na
dito.
may tao daw sa bubulon namin.
Bye for now.